How to buy domain on Godaddy in 99. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to buy domain on Godaddy in 99. So for that, first of all, I would recommend you to go ahead and add this particular extension in your web browser, especially in your Chrome web browser, which says Coupot, because with Coupots you will be able to get the access to all the promo code and different kind of codes that are available across websites along with Godaddy, and that will make your process easier in order to buy domain that you can get at some discount. So, and after that, just simply open the Godaddy's official website. Just go to the godaddy.com, and as you can see that as soon as I log in into my account, the Coupot extension has showing me this particular coupon code right here, which I just have to apply in order to claim this particular reward, in which I will also get some cashback, and I will be able to buy the domain at a cheaper price, and I will get 20% discount. So I just have to copy this particular code right here or click on apply reward, and then and after that the process is quite simple. You just have to simply search for the kind of domain that you would want to buy as per your business or the project you are working in, and as soon as you'll get the activation code, you will be able to get it. Meanwhile, you can search for the domain that you would want to buy. So for example, you have a beauty store, so you can search for that, and the Godaddy will show you the domains which are cheaper and you can buy at some discount. So as you can see that you can get this particular domain at just such a cheaper price for a year, and after that you can also apply the Coupot's promo code in order to get the extra discount on top of it. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to buy Godaddy domain with promo code or at a cheaper price. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.